Welcome back guys, today we are working on a Smart 450 fortwo 2006 to replace a faulty brake light switch. Very easy and quick job. There are two screws behind the tires and one underneath the car on each side. Plus you need to unclip the front panel like shown in the video. After this done, you will be able to release the tray and you will be able to access the switch. Just place something to hold your brake pedal engaged. That will help you to remove the switch from underneath the car. To open the box where the switch is located is also easy, and you just need to unclip at the back of the box and pull out the cover, which can be a bit hard at the beginning because it's sealed. My suggestion is to replace the seal. It's just like silicone seal, and after done that you are ready to remove the switch, just turning and pulling out. Now the remaining to do is just unplug the old switch. You don't need to disconnect battery as long the key is on off position. Just unplug the old switch and replace with the new one. This is the new switch, which I bought it from eBay, as you can see in the picture attached. Just £15 almost. It's very cheap. I also sprayed some grease in the spring, the one you can see close to the switch, because it was very dry. I used some spray lithium white grease, and unfortunately my phone stopped recording and it's not, you won't be able to see. And now to install is just the reverse of what you've done till now. Very easy job. Enjoy the video. coming soon new video on my smart where I will replace the steering damper. Please, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe and share and comment below. Thank you for watching.